It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2018 Buick Encore, all-wheel drive in the Summit White, 1.4 liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. It's got everything on the inside. All the tech, all the safety. You've got the lane keep, sunroof, heated steering wheel, heated seats, so much more. Let's jump on in and take a look around. Alright, you got the all leather upholstery through here. We're going to take a look around, see where everything is and what's included. And I got to tell you, it is just about everything. So we're going to start over here on the driver's side, work our way inwards. You've got the Bose premium audio through here. You also have, you're going to take a look here, you've got the driver blind spot information system. See this icon right there where my finger is? That will illuminate when you've got somebody in your blind spot. Memory seat, memory mirrors, 2 presets for that. Beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated. We'll show her where that icon is shortly. Cruise control, headlights and turn signals, intermittent wipers including rear wipers, and you've got the hands-free calling and voice command, driver information center menu, and the audio source selector information system is right there. You can use that spinning wheel and see all the information about your Encore right there at your fingertips. And the forward collision warning located right there, so you can set that up to different distances. And that's going to take us to the Intellilink system, which is full color touch, AM, FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, time and temperature display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities all ready to go. Got the navigation screen. Traffic icon is going to show you where the troubled spots are on the road, and you can plan your trip around that. A full range of OnStar services, including the Wi-Fi hotspot, SMS text messaging, and when you throw this in reverse, you get that full color rear backup camera with trajectory. You also have the parking sensor on and off, so that's going to let you know via a little audible tone if you're getting too close to something. You also have the lane keep system right there. You can set that up and it's going to also alert you to the flow of traffic around you. There's your heated steering wheel. Turn it on and off. Heated seats, both driver and passenger side. AC button, fan speed operator, front and rear defrosters, and dual zone climate control, which is also automatic. Got your hazards, traction control, and down below, got a place to rest your device. 2 USB and auxiliary. Key fob is resting here because yes, it is a push start ignition. You got the remote start. All leather upholstery continuing. Driver and passenger power seats. Sunroof with the cover. Full powered slide and tilt. And you also have the garage door opener selectors just above that. There's your tilt function if you just wanted a little bit of extra air coming in here. LED lighting located above. Get a better look at that for you. And a push start ignition is mentioned, so foot on the brake. I'm going to press that button in and the engine is now disengaged. Got the 18-inch chrome aluminum wheels, Continental all-season tires. Check out those roof rails above, and the rear profile of the vehicle. Looking nice and sharp. You got the all-wheel drive badging there on the right-hand side. The rear parking sensors here, and to get in, gentle lift up. Hatch opens nice and wide. You've got the removable cargo cover, so if you wanted to put those seats down in the back with that 60/40, put something larger in there, you can take that cargo cover out. Got the carpeted floor mats coming to you. You've also got the cargo netting. Spare tire located below. Tie downs on both sides. And to put this back in position, just a little push once again. Ready to hit the road. Got the nice swooping grille there with the waterfall. You also have the tricolor insignia the fog lights, front parking sensors, and regardless of which trim level you get of the Encore, you're always going to get integrated turn signals, and you have the smart key access system, so you can lock and unlock with just the press of a button there. And there's a look into the rear. You have all leather upholstery again, room for 3 passengers. Down below you're going to find 3-prong power for your passengers to plug into. Those premium floor mats once again. Fold down armrest with cup holders. And that flip and fold seating, so easy to do. I have one hand on the camera, so I'm just going to grab a hold of that strap. Flip that portion of the seat up. Fold that portion down. There you go. 60/40 flip and fold seating. So easy to do. Again, putting it back in position with one hand. Get on in and drive away. And of course, this Encore also with the safety and connectivity of OnStar and its own 4G LTE wireless hotspot. If you want to give this one a test drive, come on down to Mills Motors at 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.